Individually wrapped 2-year high-capacity filter replacement cartridge pack for most standard 6-stage RO systems. Experience clean, safe, and good-tasting water every time you turn on the faucet. Enjoy crystal-clear ice cubes, fresher tea and coffee, better-tasting foods, healthier baby formula, even better than most bottled water. 75 GPD RO membrane for superior performance with TDS rejection rate up to 97%, under NSF 58 testing condition. The RO membrane removes not only harmful pollutants but also a few helpful minerals. As a result, a standard 5-stage RO system produces slightly acidic water with a pH of 7.0 or below. Alkaline mineral filter produces alkaline water with restored healthy minerals such as natural calcium, magnesium, and potassium ions, which pH balances the RO water. 19 pieces of 10 by 2.5 replacement water filters included 4x sediment filters, 4x granular activated carbon filters, 4x carbon block filters, 1 by 75 GPD RO membrane, 2x post-carbon filter, and 4x alkaline filters. Updated FA15 alkaline mineral filters and FT15 post-carbon filters are built with a secure push-fit quick connection, which allows faster filter replacement. If you have trouble installing the filters, please refer to the user manual or contact us. Top reviews from the United States. Good value for money filter set. I've decided to buy 3-year pack of filters as they are good value for money. When I received the parcel, I was really concerned about 5th and 6th stage filters as the fitting is different than in my system, and about the RO as it is packed in dry non-vacuum sealed packing with no GPD label. I have contacted the iSpring support and they responded very quickly with helpful information. Even though my iSpring filter system is only 4 months old, the 5th and 6th stage filters were upgraded with quick fitting and iSpring offered to send me free of charge proper adapters, so I will be able seamlessly use new type filters in my system. The RO is packed in dry packing for longer storage and have correct 7.5 GPD rating. I like my iSpring filter system and I am really pleased with vendor support. I can't really say much about the filters apart from them being genuine product. I am going to replace filters in 2 months, so in case of anything worthy of saying, I'll update the review.